Alright everyone, tapos na ang linggo, no? Ang bilis. I hope all of you had a good week and I hope all of you have good plans for the weekend, whether it's just to rest or mag-aral or magtrabaho. I hope ma-enjoy nyo at maka-recharge kayo this weekend. So, oras na naman for another daily charting session. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, in the daily charting sessions, we go through 5 trending names and we take those 5 trending names from yung listahan na nasa Instagrams, no? It's the list usually found on the right-hand side of your screen. Okay? Kung hindi naman galing doon sa trending list, then we also take chart requests. So like today, may chart request tayo. Meron din tayo from the trending list. So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's start. We're gonna start today where we ended yesterday, and that's with FNI. We were discussing noon na kapag bullish tayo, we wanted to see a break above 2.31 or the area around here, di ba? Nag-drawing pa ako ng white zone noon. And today, it did. It clearly did, no? So, if you're bullish FNI, what you want to see now moving forward is a retracement, maybe up to here or maybe a little bit deeper. Then see if that holds. Tapos gusto natin tumaas na. Ang next potential target is 2.5, then 2.65. Then we'll see what happens after that. Huwag natin sobrang pangunahan, no? How it retraces, if it retraces, will be important din. 'Di ba? Kung gusto nyong makapasok or pumosisyon or magdagdag sa FNI. Pag bigla lang siya lumagapak, sobrang pangit, as in sobrang bigat, then maybe that's not the best time para pumasok or magdagdag, no? Baka maganda i-assess muna natin, depende sa pangyayari. Pero kunwari, let's say it flags down a little bit like that, then mas madali makahanap ng potential na entry, assuming gusto nyo nga humabol dito sa FNI or if bullish kayo sa FNI. So, disclaimer lang, wala po akong hawak na to. And lahat po ng pinag-uusapan natin for FNI and for all other stocks that we talk about is purely for educational purposes only. They are not to be construed as investment or financial advice. Okay? So yan yung gusto ko makita sa FNI. What I don't want to see now is for price to go below 2.10. Kahapon, ang sabi natin was below 2, no? But ngayon, since nag-form tayo ng bagong structural high, ayoko na sanang makita na masira tong low na to, itong dip na to. So, I don't want to see it go below 2.10. Pag below that, parang medyo mag-aalala na ako kasi it might pull back all the way hanggang 2 pesos and depende kung ano yung sistema nyo. Baka maipit lang kayo or mahirapan lang kayong i-execute yung trade. Okay? That said, kung meron kayong hawak nito, nakabili kayo sa baba, congratulations. Be sure to trail your stops accordingly. Okay? Huwag po kakalimutan, sistema muna bago ang emotion. Okay? Next, let's look at a requested chart, GSMI. Now, GSMI, strong move up. Then we consolidated here. So just let me draw that out. We consolidated here before breaking out again. Then na ngayon, nagko-consolidate na naman tayo dito. So, as I mentioned numerous times in the past, I really don't like buying into chop. If you're a range trader and you want to buy close to 100 and see kung mag-push siya from there, then that's up to you, no? But ito yung current range niya ngayon from 100 to about 108, more or less. I don't know what's gonna happen. Pwedeng mag-form tayo ng parang weird na maliit na head and shoulders pattern dito, no? Tapos bababa tayo dyan, mag-resist dyan, tutuloy. So, I wanna see, pwede rin na kukunwari mabuo nga yun, diba? So, let's say that did happen. Then, pwede naman na ito yung head and shoulders pattern mo. Ayaw makisama sa akin yan ng mouse ko. Ito yung head and shoulders pattern mo. So, again, too early to tell. All I know is price is close to resistance. And if I was looking to get in, then it wouldn't be right there. Kasi nga ang lapit natin sa resistance and it just doesn't make sense. Even though, yes, GSMI still looks bullish. Ano yan di ba? Oras-oras lang yan Hindi pwede talaga na mahirap pumasok sa alanganin kasi yung risk lumalaki. Di ba? Right now, pag pumasok ka dito, saan ka mali? Sabihin natin, below 87, ang layo di ba? So, yun lang naman, konting ingat lang. Pero if may hawak na sa GSMI, it's still looking bullish, still looks like it might continue, but important lang to always remember to trail your stops. Okay? trail your stops, huwag kakalimutan. Tapos make sure lang na maprotektahan nyo yung gains nyo along the way kung kinakailangan. Or if ever naman gusto nyo, pwede kayong mag-take profit or mag-trim. 'Di ba? Pagka umaabot siya sa mga levels of resistance, that's on you, no? Depende na po yun sa sistema or sa pamamaraan na ginagamit nyo. Next, let's take a look at MM. So we also looked at MM yesterday, and I just wanted to discuss it quickly today kasi nagkaroon tayo ng parang mini breakout of sorts. It's not a real breakout. Okay, a real breakout for me would still be a break above 4.23, itong area na yan. But it does look like it's gonna try to attempt na bisitahin man lang tong 4.20 something na area, no? Whether or not it does so remains to be seen, but walang nagbago sa ibang assessment from yesterday. Yung pag ngayon pa lang papasok, ganun pa rin, mahirap kasi yung stop medyo malayo, it has to at least go there, no? Parang stopping out dito sa baba ng range ito, parang you're stopping out into previous resistance. So ganun pa rin, same assessment. And I just wanted to drive home the point na kailangan pa rin mag-ingat, hindi porke tumaas ng konti today, ibig sabihin okay na yan, kailangan, bull na. Okay? Pwede pa rin tayong tumama hanggang dito sa 4.23, might revisit, then from there, we wanna see what it does. If similar sa FNI na mag-breakout tayo dito, then as we discussed yesterday, there's a chance na balikan niya itong naiwan na gap from before na around 4.6 to 4.7 na area. Okay? So that's MM, no? So far, we've looked at GSMI, we've looked at MM, and we've looked at FNI. If you find this video helpful at all, or if you're entertained kahit papano, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like. Okay? Every little bit helps, and it's one of the ways that I know na nagugustuhan nyo or na nakakatulong sa inyo yung content na pinoproduce natin. Syempre, yun naman yung goal natin, makatulong at makapag-educate. Okay? Moving on. Let's look at dito. Okay. So dito, since we last looked at it, ganun pa rin, no? This smaller trend line or this mini trend line, dyan pa rin umuuntog yung price. Right now, pwede nating sabihin na, ayun nga, pwede mong naka-triangle siya or whatever. You can use whatever terminology you like. Basta ang importante is it's within range. It's within the chop. Okay? It's within the chop. So until price decides what it wants to do, lalo na kapag kunwari the way you trade medyo time sensitive, gusto mo mabilis, may reaction agad, then it's almost always best to try not to participate habang ganito na medyo choppy pa, na hindi pa siya nagdedesisyon. Diba? It's been trying to push higher, pero reject eh. Pero nag-hold din naman tayo dito. So parang hindi pa talaga siya nakakadesisyon. Okay? So again, mahirap yung stop placement. Stopping out here means you're stopping right into this area of support, no? So, mahirap yung sa risk-reward factor right now. And as I've said numerous times din na ayaw ko yung arbitrary percentage na stop loss. Kasi nga, you spend so much time analyzing, planning out your trade, studying technical analysis, tapos yung stop mo, iaasa mo lang sa arbitrary percentage, diba? Whether it's 5%, 7%, 10%, or what have you. So, I would rather na kung nagtrabaho na rin lang naman ako sa lahat, tatrabahuhin ko rin, nahahanapin ko ng mabuti kung saan dapat yung stop. Okay? And for our last stock of the week for PSE, the dubious honor goes to DELM. Okay, so Del Monte. Ano ang nangyari sa DELM? So, DELM, bumaksak tayo, no? Tapos what happened was we essentially formed an inverted head and shoulders pattern, and today we broke out of it and we even broke above itong area of previous support na to. Now, as I said often when I do it sa charts ko, sometimes ginuguhitan ko lang, but I always look at it in terms of area yan eh. So this is an entire area. Okay? Lahat ng mga wicks na yan, technically lahat yan nag-hold as support eh. Okay? So, if sigurista, you do want to see it break above this zone first para may konting confirmation tayo. Although, eto nga, meron na tayong pattern breakout from the inverted head and shoulders here. And we also broke out of 14.5, which mahilig tayong mag-consider mga psychological numbers. Okay? So, We broken out of that. 14 point, ano to? 14 point, ano ba yan? Sorry, nagkamali tayo ng 14.4 pala. 14.5 pala tayo sakto nag-close, no? So again, wala pala tang psychological. Sorry, my bad. Nagkamali ako na duling magkapatong kasi. So either, if you want to take the risk, the stop goes here for now. Or kung sigurista kayo, the stop can go here. Okay, your choice. I'm gonna put something like that, no? Then, yung entry, diskarte nyo na kung paano nyo gusto. 'Di ba? Target-wise, it's either maybe we try to attempt na i-target ulit tong taas. And as I said, yung mga ganitong quick moves, 'di ba? Mga malalakas, maraming gaps, ganyan. Usually, na-undo din sila in time. So, that's something that you need to take note of. But, yun nga, target-wise, maybe you want to target this gap here. Maybe you want to target that high there. It's up to you. Okay? Maybe take a little bit off here. Take a little bit off there. Target there, whatever. Kung nakabili naman kayo sa baba, edi congratulations ulit. Just be sure to trail your stops accordingly based on whatever system that you use. Okay? Disclaimer, wala akong hawak nito. Okay? Hanggat kaya, I try not to talk about yung mga may hawak ako kasi ayaw kong mag-throw ng bias eh. Pag may hawak kasi, parang feeling ko lagi, pagka ini-explain ko siya, parang tinutulak ko yung stock eh. So I avoid it as much as I can unless talagang may nag-request ng specific chart na yun. And even then, pag ganon, hanggat kaya, I do try to give a disclaimer kung naalala ko. Okay? So that's it for this week, no? If you like what we do here, if you find it helpful or educational, again, I would really appreciate it if you consider giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to my channel. And as always, guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Good luck and happy trading!